Hi, welcome friends. This is Mahesh Patidar, and you are most welcome at the online platform of GLC Top 50 IAS. If you want to enroll online in GLC Institute, you can download the GLC Top 50 application. Look like the interface at the shown on screen. And if you want to take admission offline, you can go Bhavarko at Indore. The main characteristics of this institute is that the different separate batches are available for Hindi medium and English medium. If you want you belong to Hindi medium, then also batches are available, and if you also want to English medium, the separate batches for both the medium are available in the online in this institute, online and offline both. Now we are discuss about the profit and loss. In previous lecture, profit and loss, the basic concept of profit and loss we have studied. Now the second part of this topic will the different patterns of questions in which we discussed is continue now. It is the revision time because we learned in previous lecture we have to revised here for, at a one time and then go ahead. What is cost price? This is the price at which an article is purchased. This is the price at which an article is purchased is known as cost price. What is selling price? This is the price at which an article is sold. Profit or gain. If selling price is more, that means that if selling price is more is compared to CP, that is CP is lesser than SP, SP is greater than CP, then this is known as profit or gain. Profit or gain, how can we calculate? Selling price and cost price. When we subtract cost price from selling price, we can obtain the profit. Loss. If the selling price is less than cost price, the difference between them is the loss incurred. That means how can we calculate loss? Loss equal to cost price minus selling price, or when we subtract selling price from the cost price, then we can calculate the loss. Here we can obtain loss. Gain on rupees 100 is gain percent. There is another concept. Loss or profit percent. Profit percent or loss percent. That is another concept on which we have practiced the question. Profit percentage or loss percentage means that profit or loss divided by CP into 100, and we can obtain the profit or loss percentage here. Now profit or loss is always calculated in the cost price. Profit or loss percentages is always calculated on the cost price. If an article is sold at a gain of 10%, then SP 110% of CP. That means that we can, if we bought any article at 100 rupees, and if we want to sell it after gaining 10%, that means that 10 rupees of 100, 10% of 100 rupees is 10 rupees. Then after that it will become 100% the CP and 10% the profit. It means the selling price will become 110%. Clear? Is it clear? If an article is sold at loss of 10%, if article is sold at 10% loss, then SP will become 90% because CP is 100% and 10% of CP is loss. That means that it becomes 90%. So it means that when we obtain, we gain, then gain percentage add to CP, and if we lose, the gain percentage loss CP, and CP is considered as 100%. Okay. Now questions we have practiced here. A person buys a horse for 15 pounds. After 1 year he sells it for 20 pounds. After 1 year again he buys the same horse at 30 pounds and sells it for 40 pounds. What is the overall profit percentage for that person over both the transactions? This type of question also asked in questions in examination. So how can we handle this type of question? So first of all, what we have to write there? First of all, solution. Given that, what is given? given that a person buys a horse 50 for 15 pounds, that means CP first time उसने कितने में इसको लिया था, CP first is equals to 15 pounds and he sells it for 20 pounds. It means that selling price first is equals to 20 pounds. After 1 year, again he buys the same horse, again CP2, again buys, that means CP2 30 pounds and sells it for 40 pounds, means SP2 will become 40 pounds. What is the overall profit percentage for that person over both the transaction? ये चीज क्लियर रखना है कि वो both the transaction पूछ रहा है. That means overall CP will become, now CP is equals to CP1 plus CP2. It means that 15 plus 30 is equals to 45 pounds. It is our CP. Similarly, SP is equals to SP1 first and SP2, because he buy that pounds that horse for 2 times and spend total 45 pounds and sell it first time in 20 pounds and second time for 40 pounds. That means total selling price of the horse will become SP first plus SP2. That means 20 plus 40 is equals to 60 pounds. And now question is asking overall profit percentage for person. What is overall profit percentage? That means here 45 pounds is a CP and 60 pounds is a SP. That means profit. How can we calculate profit? Profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is 60 rupees and cost price is 45. That means profit is equals to 15 pounds. Now profit percentage, how can we calculate? Profit percentage is equals to profit upon CP into 100. On putting value, yes, substitute the value. P is equals to 15, CP is equals to 45 into 100. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. That means 1 by 3 into 100 is equals to 33. 1 by 3%. Again, if we solve in ahead, it will become 33.33, 34%. Both answers are valid. Now next question. By selling an article at rupees 800, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 25%. At what price should he sell the article so as to make a loss of 25%? There is no given CP, so we have to calculate firstly what CP. Then another case is loss of 25% case. In case of loss, we have to calculate this SP. So first we have to calculate CP and then we have to calculate the SP in case of loss of 25%. So first of all, solution, let CP be X, let cost price be X. सपोज कर लेते हैं कि CP जो है X है. Now according to question, selling price is equals to 800 in case of 25% profit. So SP is equals to and profit is equals to 25% in case of 25% profit. So selling price will become 125% 5% 125%, this is the 125% of CP. In case of 25% low profit, the selling price will become 125% of CP is equals to CPBX into 125 by 100 is equals to SP, and SP also given 800, so X is equals to 800 into 100 upon 125. Now 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, and 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, and 0. So X, that means CP will become 164 into 4, 640. So X yeah, CP will become 640. Now in second case, now if there is a loss of 25%, CP would 75% of selling price would 75% of CP. Why? Because CP is 100% in itself. When 25% loss, then SP will become CP minus loss, that means 100% minus 25% loss, so it will become SP is equals to 75%. Now mathematically we will solve it. SP is equals to CP into 75%, that means CP is 640 into 75 by 100. 25 5s are 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 100, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, then 163 into 3, it will become 480 selling price. So I will write here, you have to write the question as the note, conclusion line at the last of the solution. Hence, in case of 25% loss, in 25% loss, the CP selling price will be 480. Answer. Now next question. Profit after selling a commodity for rupees 425 is same as loss after selling it for rupees 335. The cost of the commodity is. The question want to say that सेलिंग जब हम 425 रुपए में किसी आर्टिकल या 425 में किसी आर्टिकल को सेल करते हैं, जो लॉस होता है, सॉरी जो प्रॉफिट होता है वो सेम होता है. कैसे? व्हेन जब यदि हम उस आर्टिकल को 355 में सेल करते हैं तो उससे जो लॉस होता है वो it means that loss when we sell it 355 and profit when we sell it 425 are same. So according to question, now solution, let CP be X, CP को X मान लेंगे. Now let CP be X. According to question, profit after selling a commodity for rupees 425, that means 425, that means SP minus CP, SP 425 minus CP is equals to profit. According to question, profit is equals to loss, that means how can we write profit? SP minus CP, and loss is equals to CP minus SP. since profit is equals to SP minus CP and loss is equals to CP minus SP. Now 425 is the selling price and CP x 425 minus x is equals to x minus 355. सो इन दोनों केसेस में क्या होगा कि जो प्रॉफिट होगा वो किसके इक्वल होगा, लॉस के. तो हम दोनों ने इसको क्या कर दिया, इक्विवेलेंट कर दिया, इक्वल पुट कर दिया. एंड नाउ वी विल सोल्व द क्वेश्चन एंड फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x, दैट मींस CP. सो 425 माइनस 355 प्लस में आ जाएंगे एंड x, ये x माइनस का उधर जाएगा तो प्लस का. So 2x is equals to 550, 527, 347, 782x. Then x is equals to 780 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18 and 0. That means x or x is equals to CP is equals to 390. CP is equals to 390. Then we have to calculate the cost price of article, that means 390. That is our answer. Hence cost price or cost of the commodity is 390. Answer. Now next, this is the question asked in MPPSC mains examination 2014. Question was that a shopkeeper bought 11 oranges for 10 rupees and sold 10 oranges for rupees 11. Find the percentage gain. It is clear, said question, there is a gain in which we have to calculate the gain percentage. Now solution. Given that CP of 11 oranges is equals to rupees 10, so CP of 1 orange will be 10 by 11. Again, SP selling price of 10 orange. Question clearly said selling price of 10 oranges is equals to 11. Selling price of 10 orange is equals to 11 rupees. Then SP of 1 orange is equals to 11 by 10 rupees. And how can we calculate the profit? Now profit is equals to selling price minus cost price. So selling price is equal 11 by 10 minus CP is equal 10 by 11. Now we calculate after taking LCM. LCM will be 110 and 121 minus 100. It means the profit will become 21 by 110 rupees. Now we have to calculate the profit percentage. What is we have to calculate? We have to calculate profit percent. Profit percentage is equals to profit upon CP into 100. What is profit? Profit is equals 21 by 110 and CP is equals to 10 by 11 into 100. Now 21 by 110 into 11 by 10 into 110. 0 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel, and 11 ones are 11, 11 ones are 11. Only 21% is profit. So profit percentage in this case will be 21%. Hence the profit percentage will become 21%. Now next question. Now this is the another concept we have to learn about it. What is marked price? What is marked price? This is also known as MRP. What is MRP? The maximum retail price. That means this is the price marked as the selling price on an article, also known as the listed price. It is also known as the listed price of an article. Now, what is discount or rebate? You know, discount, rebate or chhoot batta, etc. This is the reduction in price offered on the marked price. What is the discount? Reduction in price offered on the marked list or listed price. When a shopkeeper or businessman gives discounters on, so this discount will be calculated on the marked price. That means if any article is of 100 rupees and if he offered us 20% discount, that means 20% of 100 means 20 rupees will be discount. So the final selling price will become 100 minus 20 rupees discount. So selling price will become rupees 80. So it is clearly your mind that marked price is the MRP or marked price on any article, and discount is given on the marked price or MRP. So we have to calculate the discount percentage on the marked price. So question number first, we have to take question number first. हमको लेना है question number first क्या है? The marked price of a water cooler. What is the MRP of a water cooler? Is 4650. The shopkeeper offers an off-season discount of 18% on it. Find its selling price. First of all, we have to take given that solution. Given that the MRP, a marked price of a water cooler, is equals to 4650, and the shopkeeper offered off season and discount percentage is equals to 18. Discount percentage is equals to 18. Our discount is equals to 18%. Fine, it's a selling price. So first of all, we have to learn about the formula that selling price is equals to MRP minus discount. We have to remember this relation of MRP, discount and selling price. So now first of all, we have to calculate discount. Discount is equals to 18% of MRP. So MRP 4650 into 18%, 0 से 0 हटाएंगे, 5 1 5, 5 2 10, 5 9 45, and 15 5 3 15. Here 2 1 2 and 2 9 18. Finally 93 into 9, 9 3 27, 9 9 81, 81 and 2, it will become 83. So discount is 837 rupees discount. Now this we have to calculate the selling price. Selling price equals to MRP minus discount. So MRP is equals to 4650 minus 837 discount. That means selling price of water cooler will become 837 subtracted from the 4650. So there will be 0 and 7 will 3, 5 and 3 will 1, 6 minus 8 means 8 and 6 minus 3. So final selling price will become rupees 813 rupees. Now next question. The price of a sweater was slashed from rupees 960 to rupees 816 by a shopkeeper in the winter season. Question is, you have to try the question, pause the video and yourself you have to try the solve the question. वीडियो को pause करें और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए कोशिश करें. उसके बाद अगर नहीं आता तो फिर आपको सॉल्यूशन देखना है. नाउ सॉल्यूशन. The price of a sweater was slashed from rupees 960 to 816 by a shopkeeper in the winter season. Find the rate of discount. So given that MRP of sweater 960 rupees 960 and selling price of that sweater is equals to rupees 816. That means difference between MRP and selling price is known as discount. It is offered by the shopkeeper. So there will be, so discount equal MRP minus selling price. That means MRP is 960 minus 816 is equals to discount 06462 144 rupees. Discount is equals to 144 rupees. Now discount percent is equals to, question gave find the rate of discount given by him. So discount percentage is equals to discount by MRP into 100. Discount is always calculated on the MRP while profit and loss are calculated on the CP. So discount is equals to 144 and MRP is equals to 960 into 100. Now 0 is cancelled by 0, cancel out by 0, and now 12, both are 12 is factor of both the numbers. Now 12 ones are 12 and 2, 12 twos are 14. Now 12 ones are 12 8s are 96. Now 120 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 840, 8 fives are 40. That means 15% discount is given by the shopkeeper on a sweater. So finally discount percentage is equals to 15%. Now the next question, a cell phone was marked at 40% above the cost price. Another question was that you have to try solve the question after pause the video. So वीडियो को पॉज करके आप ट्राई करें कि क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करें. यदि फिर भी नहीं आता है तो फिर आपको वीडियो को देखना है और उसको चेक करना है. Now a cell phone was marked at 40% above the cost price. It means if 100 rupees the cost price, the cell phone was marked as 140 and a discount of 30% was given on its marked price. After increasing the 40%, the selling the discount on the MRP is 30% is given on the MRP. So find the gain or loss percent made by the shopkeeper. In this case, solution, given that first of all let CP be X. Now when we increase 40%, when we increase 40% of X, on increasing 40% of X, that means that is 140% of X is equals to X into 140 by 100. This is the MRP. CP is X, MRP is 140 by 100X. Now again on reducing, increase कर रहे हैं 40%, तो इतना बन रहा है. On reducing 30% discount, selling price will equal 70% of MRP. It means MRP, what is MRP? X into 140 upon 100 is MRP and it's 70%. So this is the selling price. Now we have to solve this. 0 0 0 and 0, it will become 98 by X. It means that 98% of X. That means selling price will become 98 by 100X, means 98% of CP. 90 X, what is X? X is the CP, so 90. In this case the loss will occur. Now how much loss? How can we calculate? Loss is equals to selling price minus, sorry, cost price minus selling price. Here cost price is X and selling price is 98 by 100X. That means 100X minus 90X means 2 by 100X is equals to, this is loss. And how can we calculate the loss percentage? Loss percentage is equals to loss, that means 2 by 100X upon CP, means X into 100. Now X and X, 100 to 100 cancel, so loss percentage is equals to 2%. In this case the loss will occur for 2%, so hence 2% loss made by a shopkeeper. Now next, this is the practice question for you. I hope this session will quite helpful for you to understand the concept of discount and the concept of remaining questions, remaining types of question of profit and loss. So practice questions are: by selling an article, this is in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh question. All are questions for your practice. You have to try, solve them and make a proper note. Now thank you for watching video, and again I want to say you, if you want to enroll in online batches, you have to join, download the GLC and IS MPPSC application and enroll in online batches for separate medium, Hindi and English. Again thank you and most welcome in GLC top 50 classes.